There are renewed concerns this evening regarding the lock-off times for entertainment events. Recently, Parliament amended the Noise Abatement Act to allow for events to take place until 2 a.m. during the week and 4 a.m. on weekends. But at least two promoters say the police are not honoring this agreement. We have more from TVJ's Anthony Lugg.
When the House of Representatives amended the Noise Abatement Act to allow for events to take place until 2 a.m. during the week and 4 a.m. on weekends, Member of Parliament for South St. Andrew Mark Golding raised this concern.
That the current system of how permits are used as a tool to deprive communities of their right to entertainment is marginalize them. It's wrong.
1 week later, the problem continues. Andrew Gohagan is the chairman for the Franklin Town Community Development Project, which hosts a weekly event at 3 Deanery Road in St. Andrew. He was granted a permit. However, last Sunday, the police turned up to shut down the event at 12 a.m.
So I said to them, what about the pronouncement and the Minister of National Security made? The extension, they said, listen to me, until we get something in writing from the Minister of National Security, we'll continue to lock off the sessions 12 o'clock in the week and 2 o'clock on weekends.
At a post-cabinet briefing last week, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang stated that if the police received reports of disturbance, they could still shut down the event. But for Mr. Gohagan, it's a bigger issue.
I honestly feel that we are being targeted by a special organization. We have a very good relationship with Eastern Kingston Police, with Vineyard Town Police, and with Franklin Town Police. On a number of occasions that when they came to lock up our event, after they lock up our event, we went and checked other events in and around the vicinity, and they were still having party there.
We put the issue to head of the Area 4 Police Division, Assistant Commissioner Devon Watkins.
That would be deemed unprofessional. But how you arrive at those determinations will be subject to review's investigation. And if ever it's found so, then there are rules that go on unprofessional conduct, and we have never flinched.
The issue of victimization is one of the reasons the Security Minister is pushing for the implementation of sound ordinances. Meanwhile, ACP Watkins warned promoters that in granting permits, the commanders will assess risks, threats, and vulnerabilities.
But in an environment where there are high conflict and that the persons conflicting may well meet up there, that by itself is a potential collision. And we want to reduce all opportunity for anybody to execute vengeance in any of these.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.